apparently stuff was done over the past few days, but I've been so busy with Etsy orders, I didn't even know there was people here. But I'm sure you guys can already tell, without my even pointing it out, that there is a bunch of rocks that didn't used to be here. I got a rock. I got a lot of rocks. I'm not sure if they really did anything else. My dad's tired. He does not feel like coming out here today. It is about 100 out, so I don't blame him. They didn't fill in here. From my understanding, they put down this black tarp first to put the rocks on top of, and then they leveled things off and put in rocks. And I think that's about all they did. So it's something about lower rocks. I don't know if this is what he meant by lower rocks, but unless he means down here, I'm gonna look. Let's look. I don't know why there would be. There's no rocks down there. Why would there be? Let's look. He said something about they broke a drain pipe today and that they broke one yesterday too. Oh, it looks like they have more rebar in here than the last time I showed you it. So that's new, I think. Really don't like how much litter they keep leaving. Especially since it's a reflective surface in the middle of high wildfire dangers that are probably going to knock out our power for at least 2 days. Thanks, PG&E. But yeah, last thing we need is a wildfire starting from the sun reflecting off something like that. But yeah, the fire pit is starting to look kind of like something. Not sure if this is where the stairs down into it or... No, it's gotta be over here that the stairs are. That's gotta be that. Nothing else would make sense, right? I'd assume that's gotta be it. Or are they over here? That could make sense too on this corner. I don't know. But, that's a thing. But, lots of rocks. I don't remember if the cement was here last time I came out here or not. So I'm just going to show you it. But yeah, apparently there's a big-ass truck coming tomorrow with a lot more rocks. I'll try to be out here to get some of that filmed. So dusty. Such dusty dirt. Reminds me when we still had the horses. This is like how finely the dirt was ground up in the paddock. And my boots always got about this dusty walking through it. So I'm kind of having flashbacks. There's our old barn. No horses in it anymore. Hasn't been for years. Anyway. Yeah, not a whole lot to show today, I'm afraid. So hopefully tomorrow will be more interesting.